How to change language in Amazon application. Open Amazon application. Click here, right down corner. Click settings. And then choose country and language. Now click on language. And here you can see list of languages. We're gonna try Spanish. And this is how can you change your language in Amazon application. I'm gonna show you one more time. Open Amazon application, click here, settings, country and language, click language, and now choose, for example, German. And this is how can you change your language. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye.